The Chilean salmon industry has entered a phase of recovery after suffering the impact of the combined action of Caligos and the Issa virus. In fact, they were simply the result of a farming system that has come to an end, as seen in new regulatory and production model changes driven by the private and public sectors. The economic and social cost of the crisis has been very high. The accumulated losses of fish stocks and failed harvests have been enormous and are approximately $2 billion. In addition to this, around 15,000 jobs were lost, causing a deep recession period in the regions of Los Lagos and Aysén in Chile, whose economies rely on this activity. These consequences caused by the Atlantic salmon, the main species produced in Chile, which came to represent more than 65% of exports of the industry, left no doubt about the depth of the changes needed to be carried out, from the company's, state, financial system and civil social organizations' point of view linked to the sector. Thus began a process with setbacks and difficulties, but that had the virtue of moving fast and brought in profound behavioral changes which resulted in new law and key regulations, as well as a good practice that allowed high levels of biosecurity and better risk management. As a result, Chile has now a story to tell of great interest to other farmer countries and others that are considering this industry. A story that was marked by remarkable development, but in the midst of which rejected tasks that were essential for sustainability to its achievements. The good and the bad of this process constitutes a unique history of great value for the planning of aquaculture developments today and tomorrow. Due to this, Chile has a responsibility to tell its story to this field. The national aquaculture industry itself, as well as emerging industries of other countries, can be greatly benefited by this knowledge, told with objectivity and completeness. The ability demonstrated by Chile in the process of rapid technological transfer and adaptation in developing products tailored to the needs of consumers, and its ability to open and develop markets is beyond question and is a model that can be transferred successfully. On the other hand, the lack of research and control in critical areas of production development and weak regulatory and supervisory systems are amongst pending tasks that have created lessons that must be taken into consideration. Goal 2011, to be held in November this year, will be a great opportunity to show how this industry has been able to carry out a process of reinvention, that even with some weaknesses leaves no doubt of the will to move towards other ways of production and in which knowledge of the local reality and transparency play a main role. Therefore, the decision of the Global Aquaculture Alliance to make this meeting of aquaculture world leaders in Chile is a decision of enormous significance and may allow Chile to share the key elements in this transformation process that will eventually give greater sustainability to the Chilean aquaculture.